Hey everyone, today we are solving another LeetCode question, question number 2006. Count number of pair with absolute difference k. A beginner-friendly hashing problem from LeetCode. So first we will read our question, then we'll discuss our problem understanding, then we will discuss the brute force idea and dry run, and then execute the code. So let's start with reading the question. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the number of pairs ij where I is smaller than j such that mod of nums I minus nums j equals to k. The value of mod x is defined as x if x is greater than or equals to 0, minus x if x is smaller than 0. So what the question is saying, we have given an array like this. Take an example, nums 1, 2, 2, 1, and the absolute value given us is 1. So we have to find the pair of pair which have difference 1. So the pair with absolute difference of 1 are 1, 2, this one, and on index 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. So the output is 4. I hope you understand this. So we are given an array nums integer k. We need to count pair ij such that I is smaller than j. Mod nums I and nums j is equals to k. So now what is absolute difference? Absolute difference means distance between numbers. Example 5 minus 3, mod of 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, and mod of 3 minus 5 is equals also 2, because sign doesn't matter in mod. So what will be a brute force idea? One approach: check every pair, calculate absolute difference, count valid pairs. This works, but time complexity becomes O of the n square. So what will be our optimized approach? Since constraints are small, brute force is acceptable, but we can still discuss Hashmap or frequency optimization. Why Hashmap? Because we can quickly check current number plus minus k exist or not. So now let's do a dry run here only. So nums is equals to 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Now the absolute value given us is 1. What will be the valid pairs? 1, 2, 1, 2 again, 2, 1, and 2, 1. You can see the index 0 and 1, index 0 and index 2, index 1, and index 3, and index 2, and index 3. I hope you understand this. Now the total will be 4. So our 4 is our answer. So let's quickly comment this out, cut this out, and paste it right above our question. Okay, now we'll start writing our code. So in first, initialize count equals to 0. Okay. Now the outer loop, what will be the outer loop? Picks first element. For that, a for loop int I equals to 0. I is more than greater nums dot size I plus plus. Now we'll put a inner loop which will check remaining elements. So for in j I plus 1 and j is smaller than nums dot size j plus plus. Now a condition: if absolute difference equals to k, increase answer. If absolute, ABS means absolute, ABS nums I minus nums j is equals to 4. Then the font will become plus plus. Now return, we will return the count, means our answer. Now let's check our test cases. Okay, as you can see, our test case passed. Output 4, expected also 4. 1, 3, k is 3, but output is 0 because their difference can't be written. Here difference is 2, so 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 2. Output 3, difference 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 also 3. So I hope you understand this. This was a great beginner hashing and pair counting problem. If you understand it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Follow for more daily DSA problems. See you in the next video. See.